Hi, good morning, America. It's a sunny winter day here in LA. So we are going inside Goodwill Store Center. So this is a thrift store wherein you can buy clothes, furniture, electronics, everything, sports items at almost rock bottom price, because most of the items here are, donations, but some are still brand new. So you choose which Goodwill store you go to. So it depends on the location. If the area is for the rich and affluent, chances are you'll get good deals, good items. So this is a fancy community. So we expect that the items here are good deals and not cheap. I mean cheap prices, but quality items. So we're inside right now. Okay. So you see over there right away, less than $2. Long sleeves polo shirts. So those are really cheap, So these are Valentine's items. So I'm looking for electronics. Oh, you see sweaters, less than $2. Okay, let's go to the electronics area. Okay. Well, most of the shoes are used, so you don't buy shoes from here. The bags are good. Like this is a Liz Claiborne bag for only $12. So it's a Liz Claiborne bag, ladies bag. Okay, so we'll go to the electronics. I'm looking for a Bluetooth speaker or a turntable. I might get lucky to get today. There, so these are sound system equipment, DVD players and amplifiers. Okay. There's Balto, the Magic Dog. Not this one. Over there. Okay. So anyway, I'm going crazy here. So it's a wrap for now. Kindly subscribe, slam that subscribe button on my YouTube channel. And thank you. Show some love and slam that subscribe button.